Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the AZ to AZ deal finder. First thing we're going to do is move over and left click on OAXRAY. We're going to bring up a blank page. It's going to say no products could be found on this page. We're going to move over to the AZ to AZ deal finder. Left click that. I'm going to plug in my keyword Lego because that's one of my favorite categories. Hit enter. And whenever you hit enter, you're going to come up with a whole bunch of different Keepa graphs. And depending on what you're looking for can depend on how you're going to review these graphs. One thing we can easily see is a lot of these items just automatically have Amazon in stock. So they're in stock on these, they're in stock on this one. So we know what to at least avoid. But some of these items are kind of interesting because we can go back 3 months of Keepa data and then we can see what Amazon's in and out of stock with. So let's look at this Lego Star Wars Ultimate Millennium Falcon. So we got the information on Keepa pulled up and it looks like we have 3 years of data, or well, maybe like 4 or 5 years of data going all the way back to 2018. And what we see is that for the last 2 years, Amazon's been going in and out of stock with this. Amazon's in and out of stock here. Looks like they were in stock for maybe 6 months during the year, and then they're out of stock again. This kind of information can kind of tell you that cyclical information about a toy that could go out of stock every year or at least most years. So what you can do is you can start building a list. Let's say you have a virtual assistant going out there. You can say, hey, take all these items that go out of stock. Let's say if it went out of stock in 2021 and it went out of stock in 2020, let's say 2 years in a row, then create me a list of all these items. Towards the end of the year, in let's say not November, but let's say October, you can go through your list and maybe you have 50 or 100 different products, which you're like, every October this tends to go out of stock. So I can use this AZ to AZ deal finder during Christmas, and let's say January, when I may not have as much work to do, I can use the AZ to AZ deal finder to come up with like a partial list for next year. So I know, Lego Star Wars Ultimate for the last 2 years has gone out of stock and I'm going to say this October, let's say. Then that means, in October, I better start tracking these prices. I better start seeing, maybe I should pick a few of these up so that by the time Christmas comes, you have these items in stock. That's one of the ways to use the AZ deal finder. If you have a different way, comment below and we can add to the video. But thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Make some money using OAXRAY.